All right, quick video because I think a lot of people are missing one of the best parts of ChatGPT, and that's the GPTs. Most people just open ChatGPT and ask random questions, but GPTs are basically specialized versions of ChatGPT built for specific things. Let me show you a real example. I'm going to select more over here, and keep in mind I am logged in, so you may have to be logged into your account for this to work. So I'm going to select more, go to apps. Here's a GPT icon at the top right. This might change with later versions. Click this, and you'll see that there are tons of GPTs, even broken out by category. One of them that I like is the Notes GPT. So if I just type Notes GPT and select this first one that pops up, select Start Chat. I like this. I think it's pretty useful because most people have messy notes everywhere. Meetings, thoughts, reminders, random ideas, everything's just all over the place. So let's say I paste something messy like this. Need to follow up with John about project timeline, team meeting Friday. Need to update the spreadsheet. Let's say a customer asked about pricing, and we need to schedule another call next week. Just random notes, right? Now watch what happens when I drop it into the Notes GPT. While this it's organizing everything into action items, priorities, summaries, and actually makes it readable. We went from this right here to something pretty readable that people can immediately use. It organizes everything into action items, priorities, summaries, and actually makes it readable. That's the kind of stuff people can use immediately. Now, outside of productivity stuff like this, there are technical GPTs too, right? If I just go back to more, I go to apps, go back to GPTs. If you work with Linux, right? If I just search for Linux, there are Linux GPTs here that allow you to just paste commands. You can paste errors or just ask it questions without digging through forms or without a normal GPT or a normal chat GPT prompt chat where you have to tell it it's a Linux server expert. This GPT is already here for you. Same thing with Splunk. Same thing with Cribl. You have a Splunk GPT here. If I type Cribl, if I type Windows, here's a Cribl GPT. There are GPTs for everything. Maybe you want a GPT to help you with your budget. You need a financial advisor. Maybe you need a travel guide. Maybe you need a GPT to help you with your fitness. There's a GPT for everything. So instead of starting from scratch every conversation, the GPT already understands the context of what you're trying to do. And honestly, that's the biggest thing people are missing. GPTs are less about AI chatting and more about having focused assistance for a specific task. So if you haven't checked them out yet, go explore the GPTs and just search for something you already do every day, whether it's notes, writing, fitness, Linux, whatever. You'll probably find something very useful in like 5 minutes.